Hi everyone. In this breakdown, I'm going to show you how I created this image. So this was a 4-light setup. In this diagram you can see here, the key light was a beauty dish with a 30-degree grid and a half-stop CTO. The reason I went with that was because I wanted to mimic the light coming from these candles and match the color temperature. So I threw the grid on there to control the beam of light so we didn't get any excess light spill throughout the image. And I put the CTO on there because it has the same kind of orange color temperature as the candles. So the fill light is a 69-inch Octabank on camera left. And I just use that on a really low power just to fill in the shadows and kind of protect those areas, as well as to incorporate a little bit more light on the shelf behind him. You'll notice on the right side here, I use a 39-inch deep Octa to light up this part of the image because there was no ambient light on set, and otherwise this part pretty much fell into darkness, and we worked pretty hard to bring in all these books and put them on these shelf and make it look authentic. So the fourth light is just a little LED panel I had right above this fox. So this fox in the image actually plays a pretty critical role, so I wanted to make sure that it was pretty easy to see. And finally, I also filled the room full of haze. You'll notice this kind of hazy look over here. The reason I did that was because it sort of makes the flare from the candles show up a little better, but it also establishes a little bit of depth in an image. It's called atmospheric perspective. Things that are further away are a little hazier, and things that are closer are a little bit more clear. So that's about it. As you can see here one more time, got a gridded beauty dish with a CTO as the key light. Fill light was a large Octa to camera left. I had a little LED panel just kind of lighting up the shelves behind him a little bit more. And the shelves on camera right were lit up by a 39-inch deep Octa. And if you wanted to know a little bit more about the backstory behind this photograph, there's a detailed blog post on my website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.